I forgot to fucking fill yous in. We're right now we're driving 5 hours or almost 6 hours one way for a fucking plow truck. We're in Durbert, something like that. I don't fucking know. Yeah, we're sending it. Get the fucking trailer on. We're in the new Cummins 2026 Bice. Yeah, I'll check back in as we go. We're still 2 hours and 30 minutes from our final destination, and then another 6 back home. All for an old plow truck, but some will call me crazy. I like to say I'm motivated, guys. Get out there and get after it. Whatever you want in this world, you can fucking get it, boys. Beautiful. Well, boys, we picked up the plow truck after a fucking 6-hour drive. She's man. Plow's like brand new. We're going down the road, doing about 100-ish kilometers an hour. She's back there still, fucking strapped down all good. Yeah. I think I'm about 5 hours still. 5.5 hours from home. Oh, I will let you know how it goes. I see cop lights. 4 hours and 15 minutes from home. Loads only moved slightly. I figured I was going to be the asshole on the road, but I've been having to slow down for fucking just about everybody. I think they all need a Cummins. Oh, here, I'll turn down the fucking ghetto wrap. Filled up. Filled the gut up. Had probably the shittiest fucking gas station sandwich I've ever fucking had in my life. But that's all good. We're like on our fourth monster today. It's 4:30. Ready with the death run. We got, don't worry, I'm hydrating though. I got the Gatorade going. But yeah, I think it's 3 hours and 40 minutes or something like that till home. No, it's longer than that, I think. I don't know. I'll let you know on the next one. You'll find out whether or not I was right. 2 hours and 40 minutes left. Or no, plus a half an hour, because that's only to Magnetic Hill and I live a little bit farther than that. That's Bedford sign right there. The gas station sub is not agreeing with me, boys. But everything's going well. The Cummins is pulling hard. Checked my straps a couple times there. They were all good and tight. Yeah, I'll check back in a bit there. Well, still humming along. Doing just fine. It's 8:30. We're in Spring Hill, Harsborough, so we're about an hour left till Moncton, and then about 25-30 minutes to my place. Plus a fuel stop, probably, again, for this will be the third one. Yeah. Expensive trip, but it's still back there. No. It's like 11:40. We got the piece of shit home and off the trailer.